Hey everyone, my name is Saji, and I'm an undergraduate student at the University of Alberta. I'm extremely pleased to be working on Review Board, and my feature will be RB Tools, optional color output for rbt diff. In this demo, I'd like to show all of the functionality now that the feature is completed, and briefly go over my code as well. The rbt diff command displays a preview of the diff that will be posted when the user runs rbt post. Currently, the diff is displayed without color, with the plus symbols indicating lines added and the subtraction symbol indicating lines eliminated. This new feature will apply basic colorization to the output so that removed lines are highlighted in red and added lines are highlighted in green. To implement this feature, we will utilize the pigments library, which is a Python syntax highlighter. There are 4 types of components that work together highlighting a piece of code. We have lexers, filters, formatters, and style. To implement this feature, we're using the diff lexer, diffx lexer, and terminal formatter. Let me go ahead and demo this feature for you. Let's run the rbt diff command. As you can see, the lines that have been added are indicated in green, and the lines that are eliminated are highlighted in red. Running the rbt help diff command reveals the available rbt diff command options, including our new color diff options. As you can see, the options are auto, always, or never. Now, if you would like to see the diff without color, we can run the rbt diff command with the color option set to never. So let's go ahead and try that. This will give us a preview of the diff that will be posted with no output colorization. The added and eliminated lines are displayed using the plus and subtraction symbols with no line highlighting. We've also implemented new test cases to guarantee that the feature works properly at all times. So let me run the test cases quickly. And all the test cases have successfully passed. Now I'll briefly go over the code to highlight the key areas. In the diff.py file, we have introduced the color diff option to the rbt diff command. We have included a default value, a description, and a list of all the possible alternatives for users to choose from. We also have the colorize diff method, which effectively formats the diff with basic colorization. We've added PyDiffX support by checking if the diff begins with diffx and using the diffx lexer. Moving over to testing, I've written test cases for rbt diff with various arguments for the color diff option. We're also testing the colorize diff method with a unified diff as well as with diffx. That wraps up my demo. Thanks everyone.